I don't know if this hive's going to be worth trying to save or not. There ain't many bees in it, but we'll give them, you know what? I might just join them and then do a, yep, I'm just going to join them and do a split later on in the season. Get off there. There we go. Because I know there's no queen in it. It'd be just as easy just to split them like that. And what I'll do, I'll put this up here. Now I'm going to put this queen away. They should accept these bees because they've split off the same colony. I just ran out of time today to do what I wanted to do, and even though I'm under the trees, I ain't a chance. So, well, I guess a nice rain's gonna finish this one. I was hoping to get out here before it, but it didn't happen, so we'll see you guys.